In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your domain using Weebly.com. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to build a website or online store quickly and efficiently without needing to be a web expert. Let's jump right in. To begin, head over to Weebly's website at Weebly.com. Weebly is a fantastic platform offering a free website builder that's incredibly user-friendly and ideal for those who might not have a lot of technical expertise but still want to create professional-looking websites. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to log in. If you've already set up a Weebly account, you can log in easily using your credentials. But for an even simpler process, you can take advantage of the login with Google option. This approach saves time and keeps things convenient, integrating seamlessly with your Google account to get you started right away. After logging in, your next step is to set up your domain. On the dashboard, you'll notice a button that says Set Up Domain. Click on this to proceed to the domain setup process. Choosing the right domain is crucial as it represents your website's identity on the internet. Think of something that encapsulates your brand, is easy to remember, and ideally reflects what your website is about. Now, type in your desired domain name. This is where creativity meets strategy. Remember, your domain should be short, memorable, and relevant to your content or business. Avoid using special characters and keep it as simple as possible for your visitors to type into their browser. Once you've input your preferred domain name, the next step is to click on the search button. This feature will check the availability of your chosen domain. If it's available, fantastic. You're ready to claim it. If not, don't worry, you'll get alternative options and suggestions, or you can brainstorm variations until you find an available one that suits your needs. With your domain name selected and confirmed available, proceed to click on Choose. This action secures your domain. Clicking the button will finalize the process and associate the domain with your Weebly site, setting you well on your way to building your online presence. That's it. You've successfully set up your domain on Weebly. From here, you can dive into customizing your website with Weebly's easy-to-use tools, adding your personal touch to design and functionality. Weebly makes it straightforward to get your site up and running, from updating content to adding e-commerce features. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy to follow guides on building your perfect online space. Happy website building!